Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is an Hermes haul, but it is a special one as well because it is my unboxing of my first ever Hermes bag. So let's just get right into it, and timestamp will be down below explaining the bag, kind of like a little story time, as well as some other items that I picked up from Hermes as well within the past month or so. So I was able to get the Evelyne PM bag, and this is in black, which I love, and with the silver detailing. I love this. I love silver details. I have been eyeing the Evelyne bag for quite some time now, so I was so happy when I went in and they had it. So the last time that I was in around my birthday, I went in there and was purchasing something and was able to add to my wish list. And I added this a little bit later via text with the sales associate that I work with. And so I went in later on, like a week or so later, and I was going in for something else, and she surprised me and said that they do have an Evelyne if I wanted to see it in the exact colors that I wanted. So this is like a belated birthday gift for me, a little like a week and a half after my birthday. So excited about this. It's the Evelyne PM. Looks like this. I'll do kind of a close-up as well. I have seen this so many times and in different sizes as well, and I'm just so happy I got this. The strap is adjustable as well, so I'll show that on. And then I like as well how practical it is. It's such like a good everyday bag, and I can wear it with so many things. And then here, this is where you unclip it, so I'm gonna do that. And so there is a back pocket, which is nice and roomy, as well as the interior pocket. So you can fit so much in here. I could definitely fit like my full-size wallet if I wanted to, or like a card wallet. I could definitely fit like my cameras in here. I could fit my keys. I could fit like a small hairbrush, like oil blotters, maybe the lip of the day that I'm wearing, face powder. This bag is nice and roomy, which I love. So I'll do a little close-up of what it looks like on for me. I am on the petite side, I'm 5'4", so I feel like this is the perfect size. It's not too overwhelming, but fits plenty of things. That's something that's really important to me. When I get a new bag, is that I can fit lots of different things, including like my camera. I could fit that in as well, because I do vlog and I'm on the go quite a bit, so it's really nice to be able to carry everything that I need in here. The other item that I have to show you guys is a bracelet that I picked up, and I actually picked this up before picking up my purse, but that is when I did like my little wish list for the purse. So let me show you guys that. So it is the Clic bracelet, which I love, I'm very excited about. It is black with a design, and of course I'll do a little close-up so you guys can see, but it's beautiful. It is something that I love, and it kind of goes well with my purse as well, because my purse is black, which you guys just saw. I also have another Clic in white, as well as one in a solid black, so I feel like those will go really nice together. I wear a lot of black and white, and I can kind of mix and match, and of course wear them with my purse as well. So I'm very excited about that. So that is it for this haul. I'm so excited about this item. It was such an amazing experience, and I'm so happy that I have my first ever bag. I'm sure it won't be my last from Hermes, but yes, I'm so excited about the Evelyne bag. Like I said, I've been wanting it for so long, so please like this video, comment down below what have you purchased from Hermes, or what would be your dream purchase, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.